What if I told you the gas cooking your food once existed as a dark, toxic liquid buried deep inside the earth? A substance so raw, so dangerous, it had to go through fire, pressure, and precision engineering. That is the journey of LPG, thousands of meters below the surface. Ancient organic matter has been transforming for millions of years. Under extreme heat and pressure, it becomes crude oil, thick, black, and unrefined. Massive drilling rigs pierce through layers of rock. What comes out isn't pure. It's a chaotic mix of oil, gas, water, and impurities. Before anything useful can be made, this mixture must be separated. Gas rises to the top. That rising gas holds something valuable. The raw gas is far from usable. Water is removed. Toxic gases are stripped away. Now it's clean, now it's ready. This is where the real transformation happens. Each component separates at different temperatures, propane and butane. These two are everything. Engineers force them into liquid form, stored in massive pressurized tanks. It travels across cities, countries, and oceans. Finally, it reaches your home, a clean, powerful blue flame from deep beneath the earth to your kitchen. This is the journey of LPG.